How to connect Lovable AI to GitHub step by step. If you're a developer, designer, or digital creator who prefers version control and project tracking with GitHub, integrating Lovable AI with your GitHub repositories allows you to sync and manage content more efficiently. So to get started, log into your Lovable AI and navigate to the project you want to link. Okay, so as we can see, here is my project and here is what I want to link. All right, now over here, what you're going to be doing is in the sections, you're going to look for integrations. So to get those, you're going to go over to your settings. And once we come over to our settings, what we're going to want to do from here is we're going to go over to our consistent account settings. Right over here, you can get all the settings that you need, or what you can moreover do is just go over to your project and we're going to come over here into our custom domain working section. And here is our project settings. All right. Now in the project settings, you can get your general integrations and link ups, but you can also connect the GitHub domain. Now you're going to be prompted to authenticate your GitHub account, and obviously looking for these little nitty-gritty integrations for yourself is a must, but do make sure that you have the upgraded plan for that, because without the upgraded plan, you won't be able to integrate. But for evermore, we're going to come over to connect GitHub right here. And once you go to GitHub, you're simply going to sign in into your GitHub account. And here it's going to ask you to authorize Lovable. Once you authorize Lovable, as you can see, it is connected. And from here, you're simply going to add organizations for yourself, because, you know, having these organizations into your repository is really important. So once you've done that, organization is in, you're simply going to click on continue, connect the GitHub organization to your Lovable. And once you have done that, as you can see, a GitHub repository is now under the Lovable name. And now what you can do is every time you push changes to this branch, the content updates automatically inside Lovable AI. So this is your JSON, your HTML, your CSS accordingly. So if you're adding HTML, CSS, JS, or Markdown files, Lovable AI will detect and format them within the builder. And once you finalize the connection, you'll see a status indicator showing the sync was successful. And yeah, that is basically all about it. That is how you're going to be connecting your Lovable to your GitHub. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.